So, do you want us to finally help you reduce or eliminate your chronic pain so you can look and feel your best and possibly lose 10, 20, 30 pounds or more so you can finally work out pain free and never hesitate going for a hike, walking on the beach, gardening, playing with the kids, or traveling ever again? And maybe feel 10 or even 20 years younger. All you have to do is show up and we'll take care of the rest. We have a special invitation. We're looking for 20 Davie and surrounding area residents that want to get into the best shape possible to enroll in our 12-week transformation program today. So you can feel confident and ensure a high quality of life in being peak physical health, boosting your immunity. Maybe that's you. My name's Nick, and before I get started, I want to just share a little bit about myself. I was a 3-sport athlete in high school and baseball player through college. I graduated with an economics degree and became a nationally accredited certified personal trainer and now have over 15 years experience. But as I aged, I started getting injured and I spent years beating my head against the wall trying different things to stay in shape, only to get hampered by pain again. And it's not until I discovered and developed what I'm going to share with you today that I finally got in better shape now than I was decades ago, without the pain. So who is this for? If you're 40 plus, a high-risk individual, results-driven, and looking for a solution to work out safely and effectively, also looking to lose weight, increase muscle tissue, you want to look and feel your best, but some sort of chronic or intermittent pain keeps setting you back, then this may be the most important video presentation you've ever watched. In the next several minutes, you're going to discover how we've made achieving your goals faster, easier, safer, more accessible, and attainable to improve your quality of life and get into the best shape possible. This program has been a breakthrough success, backed by science, and is the only program of its kind in the area. Our clients are using it to reduce or eliminate chronic pain and get in better shape than they thought possible. And by the end of this quick presentation, you'll learn how a team of specialists that include fitness professionals, doctors of physical therapy, and nutrition coaches collaborate and develop safe and effective health and fitness programs that eliminates frustrations of traditional gyms, trainers, and run-of-the-mill rehabilitation clinics. I think you all know the type. Gyms that are so packed that some are there just to take selfies in the mirror while you're waiting around for their equipment. And trainers that can only take you through a workout that they do themselves and have no idea what to do with injuries. Or how about how some clinics out there group you in with 3 or 4 other patients and you end up working out on your own? Unfortunately, this is the world we live in. And I'm going to share with you how this system we created, usually only available to professional athletes, has helped hundreds of local residents just like you and me turn back the clock to look and feel 10 or 20 years younger. Think of it as if you have the resources a professional sports organization has for their athletes that keeps them in peak physical health, fine-tuned, and ready to go, only at a fraction of the cost. You probably already know this, but as we age, our body changes, and so should our workouts. I talk to people every day and they tell me the problem is that most programs are built for people in their 20s, 30s, and in shape. So when they do the workouts, their body hurts and they struggle to recover. And finding qualified professionals is like rolling the dice at the craps table. And they want you to perform workouts that they do themselves. Some people try to find a solution with group fitness to save cost, but end up getting injured or lost in the mix. And some use apps or online workouts that take hours with absolutely no accountability or assurance that you are actually doing things correctly. Or they go to a traditional clinic to try and rid their pain, only to be grouped in together with 3, 4, or even 5 other patients in some cases, never getting the attention they deserve. And still others look for that silver bullet fad or gimmick out there, only to be back where they started, frustrated, disappointed, and demoralized. But luckily there's a new way to circumvent all that. This new method is thorough, comprehensive, and backed by science. It will solve most of life's aches and pains so that you can achieve the fitness level and quality of life you've been dreaming of. Some of the benefits include reducing or eliminating pain levels, strengthening old injuries, educating you on how to improve, not ignore impairments or problems, building lean muscle tissue to spike your metabolic rate, understanding meal planning and prepping, also understanding how sleep, water, and food affects recovery and results. And finally, most importantly, teaching you a lifestyle approach to achieving and maintaining lifelong fitness. And because it's led by medical and fitness professionals, it's time efficient and effective, making you more productive every day. And I'm going to reveal the details to you in just a minute. But first, I need to explain why this works so well. You see, as we age, we go through a process called sarcopenia. We lose muscle mass, we get weaker, our metabolism slows down, and we're more susceptible to getting injured. We put on weight due to inactivity and fear of getting hurt again. Then, due to that inactivity, we become achy and have joint problems. It really is a vicious cycle. In conventional exercise like going for a walk, taking a bike ride, or doing a group exercise class, it doesn't make the changes your body needs to reverse the aging process because it's not customized to the individual. And when it doesn't work like we thought, we seek out the next solution, wishing that our dreams of a fit, high quality of life could come true. But unfortunately, it doesn't. Most people don't make the change until they're frustrated enough with their current situation. And the reason why most aren't successful is because what they've tried wasn't customized to their specific needs. The integrated fitness solution brings a customized team approach to health and fitness, an approach with medical and fitness resources usually only available to professional athletes. Until now. Have you ever wondered how professional athletes can be labeled questionable to play due to an ongoing injury, then all of a sudden be game ready? It's because they are coached to take a therapeutic approach to their aches and pains in combination with their strength workouts. They get plenty of restful sleep, drink a ton of water, and have the coaching needed to know exactly how to eat, to have the recovery, and see the gains needed to perform. Life for us shouldn't really be any different. Only the playing field changes. And science has proven that this integrated method is loaded with tons of health benefits for those 40 plus with chronic or intermittent pain looking to lose weight, get fit, and live a high quality of life. From pain reduction and strengthening old injuries, to increased bone density and lean muscle tissue, improve cardiovascular health, all the way to healthier blood panel and firmer skin. So, how does it all work? The first step is a complimentary introductory consult, workout, and physical therapy evaluation if necessary. The session begins with a short workout, then afterwards, we'll discuss your goals, challenges, and answer any questions you have. Just check out what Grace was able to accomplish. And we can do this for you. Now that we know the goals, the challenges, and how long it will take us to help you achieve success, we need baseline measurements so that we can see the change objectively and talk about future benefits. Step 2 is the integrated assessment, and this is where the magic happens. We establish baselines and focus on analyzing and documenting your strength, heart health, flexibility, body fat, posture, and take measurements at 9 different spots in your body. We perform this assessment every 8 weeks, and it's essential to keeping you accountable to your goals, but also it tells us how we'll be progressing you, and if we need to make changes to your routine based on the results. So do you want us to do all this for you? Then complete the complimentary consultation request form on this page. And you can have results just like Pete here. There is a third step to the process, and probably the most important. It's professional coaching. We use a common method called periodization to maximize gains, decrease injury, and prevent training from getting stale. Periodization keeps the body progressing and limits plateaus by having a plan that can see into the future. You know you're getting the latest and greatest approach because we do all the research. and are well prepared every time you walk through the door. When we do this correctly, we can start visualizing your success. It's now time to start feeling and seeing the changes you've been dreaming of. We adapt to exercise, condition the body, strengthen the muscles, and repair old injuries. After delivery of her first child, Gina had a lot of aches and pains. She ended up losing 70 pounds and was able to get rid of her pain using our process. So, to recap what we went over, the first step is the complimentary introductory consult and workout. Then you'll be put through our integrated assessment. Finally, step 3 is the professional coaching that everybody looks forward to. Plus, we're your 24/7 coach. You have direct access to your doctor and trainer. We're just a call, text, or email away. At times, our fitness professionals have had clients text them from the grocery store at 9 o'clock at night, asking what peanut butter to buy. And on occasion, our doctors have had to walk through a client what they should do when they flare up a herniated disc lifting something in the garage over the weekend. Something like this can be priceless when you're in constant pain and can't get comfortable. But it's just how we work and doesn't cost you a penny more. Just ask your local big box gym, group exercise facility, or neighborhood clinic if they do this. So if you want us to take out the guesswork so you can finally eliminate your pain, to work out effectively and lose the weight, we still have spots open if you're seeing this right now. Fill out the complimentary introductory session and consultation request form and schedule a call to speak with our team. When you work with us, we'll personally work as a team to guide you safely and effectively step by step, eliminating the guesswork, keeping you accountable to your dream outcome by delivering on our promise. Make sure you receive education you need to maintain the results and continue to see progress even after your program is complete. Our spots available are limited. We can only accept 5 new clients per week for our program. We do this so that we can keep giving exceptional service. Just see for yourself.
Hey everyone, I'd like to share something important with you about your exercise program. You see, my particular career has me sitting behind a desk all day. I felt I never had time to exercise, and I always felt too tired to do it. But that was really all just excuses. I finally admitted to myself that I wasn't disciplined enough to do this on my own. That was the real problem. I needed accountability. I needed a personal trainer. Maybe that's you. Maybe you feel like you don't have the time. Maybe you feel it's too difficult. Maybe you feel like there's no hope for getting back into shape, that you've let yourself slide backwards too far and for too long. Well, I have an important word for you. It's called procrastination. And let me tell you, it has plagued my life. Sometimes we all have to hit rock bottom before we decide to make a change in our lives. And that was me. I was way out of shape with uncontrolled type 2 diabetes. I had reached my rock bottom. All of the trainers are super nice and extremely capable. I'm getting in shape and I feel so much better than I have in many years. I have way more physical endurance, I'm more alert during the day, and my metabolism has definitely increased. And my doctor is very happy with my weight loss and improved glucose numbers. We're all in this together. It's so important for us to stay positive, even when things feel like they're crumbling around us. Managing our stress is vital. So, always remember, the struggle you're in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. Stay safe and healthy.
That was Brad, still going strong on our program today. I hope you enjoyed the presentation and have learned something today, and we look forward to talking with you soon. Have a wonderful day.